Hello, this is Jonathan Johnson here again today with you guys, working with Windows Server 2008 inside of VMware. Today we're going to be doing activity 10-7, configuring 10-9, 10-9, configuring terminal services. So we're going to go down here, we're going to click Start, Administrative Tools, Terminal Services Configuration. Notice we shows configurations for server Windows, yada yada yada, GEV, so. We have two panes here. We have the connections pane and the edit settings pane. And we're going to right here on the RDP TCP, we're going to click that and then right click properties. Notice we pull up the RDP TCP properties dialog box and it has all these tabs up top. The general tab right here, we could put like the transport is the TCP and the type is the RDP TCP. The security layer is to negotiate. The client is client compatible, which means people that work in the area, clients can use this. Let's go over each of the tabs this has. It has logon settings, use client provided information, and always use the following logon information. If you use client provided logon information, is whatever the company gives you, you would use that to log on, or you can always use the following logon information, or you could put in certain stuff where it's always going to be required to use that only. Remote control. You can use remote control with default user settings. You do not allow remote control or use remote control with the following settings, which is you can use remote control to remotely control or view a user session. So say someone's logged on and you use remote control and you want to know if they're doing what they're supposed to or not, and not doing wrong things on this program. You can use that to watch to make sure and check things. Logon settings, we just went over that. Client settings, we can also have you can change the pixels for the color depth. You can disable drives, window printers, ports, COM ports, clipboards, audio settings, plug and play devices such as keyboards, mouse, other second monitors, speakers. You can disable those and enable them. Sessions, you can override user settings to where like, oh, they overridden, sorry, you can't do that. It won't allow you to do stuff. Network adapters. Maximum connections, you could change it to like 2, 1, or 2. Environment, you can run initial program specified users. Remote desktop connection or client, do not allow initial program to be run. Then you got security. Notice a box comes up when I click the security tab. Terminal services configuration. Mainly this is so make it more secure, more control for whoever logs on, so they don't have certain like people logging on that aren't needing to. We're going to click OK. It's going to pull up system stuff. The permissions for the system, you can make full control, you can user access, you can put guest access and special permissions. We're just going to click OK to exit out of that one. Now I've went over all the settings on this. That's all I have for you in this video inside of VMware 2008 on configuring terminal services. It's a security system thing, to where like you don't want certain people on a system, or you can limit their permissions so they only can do certain processes on this program. I hope to see you in my future videos, so thank you and have a nice day. Bye.